and welcome back. Christmas is knocking on our doors, so we thought we'd make a whole roasted duck, which is an excellent alternative to the classic roast turkey. The ingredients for the duck are red currants, blackberries, apples, oranges, figs, cinnamon, balsamic vinegar, rosemary, honey, salt, and ground pepper. For the side dish we use duck fat, which is the most important, potatoes, baby carrots, garlic, onions, bacon, gorgonzola, parmesan, salt, ground pepper, and thyme. We start by making a very simple marinade which consists only of two ingredients, which are balsamic vinegar and honey. You can find the exact amounts in the description below. We trim the wings of the duck and we clean it. We pat it dry and we coat our duck with the marinade and we season it with salt, ground pepper and rosemary. When done, we put the duck on a tray and we cut in half a few oranges, apples and lemons, and we add some figs. We fill our duck with lemons, red currants and blackberries. And at last we sprinkle the apples and the oranges with cinnamon. We roast the duck at around 355 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for roughly 2.5 hours. After 40 minutes, we take our duck out of the oven, we turn it upside down, and we brush it with the marinade. We continue the roasting for another 40 minutes, and we turn it on the side and brush it with the marinade one last time. We roast the duck until the internal temperature gets to 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. We love duck because it has a good amount of fat under the skin, which gives a more complex flavor and keeps all the good juices inside. The meat gets infused with amazing aromas of citrus and sweet caramelized apples, cinnamon and figs, coated with an amazing glaze of balsamic vinegar and honey. The side dish complements perfectly our duck. You can't go wrong with this recipe as a main course for Christmas dinner. Try it out and let us know what you think. Enjoy!